What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Badwolf. All right, so due to overwhelming requests and you guys actually hearing me, taking my advice, and supporting the channel, I'm going to bring you guys how to do a UCC one properly right here, right now. All right. So, of course, the file will still be available for those people who want to get more information and be able to copy and paste some of the stuff that goes into the collateral box. But essentially, guys, it's time to break the mold. All right. So we've already done videos on the WABN and the W4V on how to get rid of paying federal taxes, and now we're going to bring you the UCC one. Okay. So yes, I know some people out there are like, yeah, but isn't that how you make money? Yes, but we have to grow and evolve. Okay. So let's do it. All right. So just continue to support me, guys, because as they say, I'm cut my own arm here to bleed for you guys. All right. So, but before we get started on that, I just want to thank everybody for, well, supporting the channel. The Wolf Pack is growing. I think we have up to 100 people. Remember, guys, we only get, us artists here on YouTube or whatever other platform, we only get a percentage of the money that you guys provide for support. So it does help, but the more that we can get on there, not to sound greedy, but obviously the better it is, because like I said, literally I think we only get like 40 or 50% out of whatever. And my cheapest package for the Wolfpack area, which is a private information area, which is obtained through the join button on YouTube's main page for me, just James Lovett. So the cheapest one is like $2, so I only get like $1 out of it. Okay, so even if 100 people join, I'm only getting $50. But and that it is what it is. So I definitely appreciate it. All right, so don't take anything away. So other than that, guys, check out blacksite32.com, and don't forget to hit that bell, like, subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. All right, let's get going. Okay, so the UCC is it's an international commercial platform where you are able to place a lien on a company or business or whatever else. Okay, some type of entity or legal person, and this should not, remember, this is educational information only, but it should never be used for any fraudulent, malicious, or negative reasons. You have to be able to show there's a relationship there and that you either have suffered a loss or you financed something or whatever else. Okay, so same thing, be careful on just putting random liens on people because you feel some type of way, because if you can't show that you have a contractual agreement or a relationship occurred, you've done some investing, you have a loss or whatever it is, they will come after you, okay, and rightfully so, because it is a fraud. You don't want them frauding you, do not fraud them. I don't care how mad you guys are at some of these officials and whatever else. You can't be like, oh, so-and-so arrested me or this or that, unless you can show damage or whatever else, okay? So just saying, okay? Entertainment, this is entertainment. But still yet, think. Don't do stupid stuff with good information, all right, and get yourselves in trouble because you feel some kind of way, all right? So the UCC is operated and owned by a company called Unidroid. Unidroid's parent company is the Vatican, okay? So there's a relationship there, and that's why they're worldwide. So through this platform, which they're all corporations and countries and whatever else, at the end of the day, you're basically letting the world know that you have a interest in something. So the UCC is more so used for an investor or a corporation that has financed somebody or another legal person or corporation or business, and you just want to make sure that you get paid before anybody else can jump in, so you protect your investment. Now, the things that people do put in there, well, I guess let me just back up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button while we're here. Go ahead, hit it. There you go. Awesome. Appreciate you. So you fill out a UCC, okay, against your straw man. So your straw man is your name in all capitalized letters. It's your business trust. It's also known as a nom de guerre, which means your war name. And so for the debtor, you are going to put your name in all capitalized letters just the same way it is on your birth certificate, because your U.S. birth certificate in all capitalized letters, that name, which is your first name, your entire middle name spelled out, and your entire last name, that is your business trust legal name. Okay, it's the legal name of that entity. It's not you. It is a business separate than you, but you are utilizing it in such a way that it's called alter ego, where you think it's you. Okay, it's not really you. It's a business representation of you in a maritime admiralty jurisdiction as a dead entity. All right, so The all caps name done that way is the debtor. You are the creditor. So for the debtor's address, you would use your same address with the zip code. The creditor is you, so you're going to put your name in all lowercase, all right? And you would put like your first name, middle initial, then last name. Now, every state's a little bit different, so this information may vary depending on your state and their situations and their jurisdictions. But essentially, you're going to use your address for the creditor as the same address, but without the zip code. If they make you put one in, put in all zeros. Otherwise, worst case scenario, if it absolutely won't let you do anything, then just put it in there, okay, at the end of the day. So there have been some situations with the name thing, because some states say that the creditor and the debtor can't be the same person. If you run into a situation like this, you'll have to do a consultation with me. We can kind of step through on how to deal with that situation in the private, because not everything needs to be in the public. But otherwise, you're going to jump down from there to the collateral box. Now, the collateral box is where you're going to put in everything that you want to protect. So your house, your car. If you do use your bank accounts or birth certificate or social, do not put in all of the digits. Okay, put XXXXX for half the number or whatever else. Okay, because otherwise remember, this is going out into the public, so certain people can have access to it. So you want to protect that. All right, and plus, 9 times out of 10 they will not approve it if they see that in there. All right, so in the collateral box, you'll put you kind of want to itemize your stuff. Like I said, I have a template with this, so it'll still be available. You can copy and paste. So you're going to want to put in even like your name, okay? Your name in all capitalized letters, your name in lowercase letters. And there's other. If we do a consultation, I'll go into some deeper detail for stuff that you should protect. Otherwise, in general, this will help out the average person. So once you put all the stuff that you want in there, okay, you're going to put in there $5,000 for my shoes, $100,000 for my car. No, you do not have to actually have the entertainment purposes only. The funds for the lien, you are just saying that you have a controlling interest and it's worth this amount on that particular property, because everything that you think you own, you don't own it. Your straw man owns it. You might have purchased it, but 9 times out of 10, it was attached to a loan or a this or that with your name in all capitalized letters somewhere. I mean, look at your driver's license right now. Go ahead, I got time. Yeah, see? Yeah, your house, same thing. Your this, your that, whatever, probably the same thing. Your credit cards you bought that stuff with, same thing, okay? So a business is doing business with a business. So now that you've itemized each thing, okay, you'll get through it, and there's going to be some other options. Now, each state is, once again, it's a little bit different, so I can't guarantee that yours is going to be the same way, which is where the consultation might come in for those people who need it, which can be set up by going to blacksite32.com. But in general, you're going to look for the option Baylor, Bailey. Okay, one's the Baylor, one's the Bailey. One's in control, one is in the subservient position. So you're going to want to hit that as an option. But at the end of the day, your state might be more agricultural. This might be considered a commercial or business transaction, a business commercial lien, a trust, business trust. So you're going to have to kind of go through your options and see what makes sense for your state and your situation. But those would be the key terms that you're going to want to look for. After that, it's going to basically ask you, does everything look right, blah, blah, blah. You're going to click yes, and either they're going to give you a really long number right away, which is your file claim number, so keep that. I highly suggest using that when you send out certain documents, putting that on the bottom and on your letter saying I'm a secured party. Here's my claim on this, because if you watch other videos, you'll understand why that is going to come in handy in the future, or for the now, or you've already used it, so now it's the past, whatever. So after that, if they deny you, once again, that might be where we need to do a consultation. But typically, that is going to get 99% of the people through. That's how you do a UCC1 lien. That's how you basically control that aspect. Now, we did talk about doing a estate number over the straw man Social Security number in order to obtain or control it. But we've done that in another video. So if you want more information on something like that and other things, then go to James C. Lovett on YouTube. Click that subscribe. Click the like button always. So right now, you guys watching this, click the like. Thank you. Yep, YouTube. Yep. And you. Yep. And you hesitant person. Oh, I got all day. I'll just wait. There you go. All right. Appreciate you. All right. So that's about it, guys. Definitely thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Don't forget to hit that bell, like, subscribe. Check out Black Site 32. And if you guys want to see me do more, like, I guess, personal stuff on how to improve your life and everything around you to know what's really going on, then go to the Badwolf Media channel, also on YouTube. Fire information. Otherwise, guys, that's about it. Things should be populating right about now for you guys to click on new videos, new information, and whatever else. So take advantage of that stuff. Take care of yourselves, and I got more videos to make. Why? Because you guys love it. By James C. Love it. Talk to you guys later.